I'm Joe Bresley. I own Right Now Plumbing and Heating in Missoula, Montana. So this is the Ion 22 SEER Heat Pump. This unit just came out last week, and we were lucky enough to be the first people to install it, running like a top. This is the new, for 2025, Heil Heat Pump fully modulating system. So what modulating means is it runs from 20% all the way up to 100%, fully variable speed, therefore giving you better comfort inside your home and giving you a better quality heating and cooling system, super energy efficient. This thing will produce heat down to about 5 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we have it backed inside with a gas furnace that's fully modulating as well. So this is a Heil modulating system, and if you know anything about HVAC or construction, you walk in here and you see how neat and tidy everything is. There's a lot going on here. I am so proud of my installers. These guys are awesome, and they take pride in every bit of this work. They take pride in all of this. They take pride in you as a customer. I mean, this system turned out amazing, and yeah, I couldn't be happier. We have 4 zones on this system. We have a zone that runs up to the guest suite. We have a zone here that does the living room. This zone up here is doing the master bedroom. This one here does the kitchen. Bypass damper. This here's a bi-directional filter dryer. This brings the cold air, or the gas, in through the gas line. This goes into the coil, and then this line here is your liquid line. And then it completely reverses that when it's doing heating, bringing the heat from outside into your home, to put it in basic layman's terms. This here is a humidifier. This house has complete humidity control. The complications with air conditioners, the air conditioner's job when you're running your cooling is to dehumidify. So we're trying to keep the house at right around 42-45% humidity all year round. So if you get the humidity too low, it's staticky. It's very dry climate. You kind of feel like you can shoot lightning out of your fingers, everything you touch. That's a sign that you have very poor humidity control in your house. Yeah, another thing that's cool on this HVAC system, this surge protector on the HVAC to protect it all from any electrical surges, because these are gigantic computers. This is a very highly advanced communicating piece of heating and cooling equipment. And it has a lifetime warranty from Right Now Plumbing and Heating. Zone damper, zone damper, zone damper, zone damper, another zone damper. That's how we get controlled heating and cooling in different parts of the house. This was a cool system for us to do. My guys, my technicians, and my installers that did this system are the best. I mean, these guys make these fittings. They don't just buy them. They know what they're doing, and they had fun making this system, putting this system together. So this is the zone control panel.
Cool logo you got on that good zone control panel there.
They're a pretty good company. I recommend this company. This company right here does a great job. They got lifetime warranties too. That's the great thing about this company. We've completely went through and labeled everything. This is all the zone wiring. This is what controls the dampers. All the thermostats are communicating, Wi-Fi driven. This is a Heil control system, Heil air conditioner, and a Heil furnace. They're the oldest heating and air conditioning company in the United States, and they're also the largest. And they are 100% made in America. We're excited about this system because it's the first one off the assembly line. We're excited to watch this system and be able to learn from it. Really, it's been tested in laboratory controlled systems. And this was literally the first unit that was delivered. They can range all the way from 1,100 square feet all the way up to 5,500 square feet. You can do dual systems if you need to, but this kind of system can really be put in any home. This is a high-end item, very top tier. The kind of customer that would want this product would be anybody who wants control over the comfort inside their homes. This home modulates and keeps air flowing as long as the ductwork is sized properly. I'm excited to see their energy bills drop, their comfort go up. It's going to be an amazing system for years to come. Nobody in town is going to give you a lifetime warranty on a new heating and air conditioning system. That's just absurd. It's unheard of. But with our program, we're going to come out, we're going to maintain the unit, we're going to make sure that it's maintained every year like it's supposed to be. All the filters are changed properly. We're going to do proper testing on the system every year to make sure that it's operating at peak capacity
And that's all part of the VIP program. We want to give the customers value, because if we build something with value and with sustainability and an actual system that can come behind and support the install, we're going to service everything. We're going to stand behind our product for life.